Hello everyone, welcome to this FSSC 22000 transition course. This course covers all the new requirements in the new FSSC 22000 version 6 with a specific focus on the FSSC additional requirements. The course is informative, comprehensive and covers all three components of FSSC 22000. These are FSSC 22000 additional requirements, the ISO 22000, a management system standard, and the technical specification, depending on the category or subcategory your products belong to. The training has been compiled by a team of expert trainers, auditors, and consultants who are familiar with the FSSC 22000 scheme requirements. We hope you will enjoy our course and that it will provide value to you and your organizations. Should you need any assistance during the course, our support team is here to assist you. All the best.